Hello, welcome to our channel Exam Paper. Today is Constitution Day. Now let us know what is Constitution Day. November 26, India celebrates Constitution Day. The day is to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India in 1949. Our Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. The Constitution Day or Sambidhan Divas is also known as National Law Day. Now, significance of Constitution Day. 26 November was chosen to spread the importance of the Constitution and to spread thoughts and ideas of Ambedkar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared 26 November as Constitution Day in 2015, while laying the foundation stone of the Dr. B.R. AMBEDKAR's Statue of Equality Memorial in Mumbai. History of the Constitution Day. On 26 November 1949, the Constitution Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India. Contained a preamble, 395 articles and 8 schedules, which came into effect on 26 January 1950. Do you know why 26 January was specifically chosen as the date of commencement? Please give your valuable comment in the comment section below. Who is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? His full name is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He was chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee, known as Father of the Indian Constitution. The chief architect of the Constitution of India is also known as a modern Manu. Now, here we all know about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, but here is one more important personality. Can you guess who is he? Yes, you guessed it right. He is Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada, who was the calligrapher of the Indian Constitution. The original Constitution was handwritten by him in a flowing italic style. Now it is the end of our video. We hope you get some crucial information in this video. Thank you. Jai Hind.